Hi, I'm Rob Davidson with Wheels on Edge. This is the 2-minute review, and we're looking at the Nissan Qashqai for 2017. It's actually, of course, it's been around for a lot longer than that. In Europe, they've been using the Qashqai for about 10 years. It's been very, very, very popular over there. And of course, Nissan is hoping it will bring in the same kind of popularity here in North America. It's supposed to be sort of the intermediate vehicle between the small Juke and the larger Rogue. So this is supposed to be the sort of crossover utility vehicle, the subcompact CUV. Darn good looking vehicle. I really like the way it looks. I like the profile. I like the large tires. Everything about it on the outside is actually very, very attractive. The interior is Spartan, but simple. I like simple. It's an easy to negotiate center stack. All the buttons are in the right place. The dials, the speedometer, the tach, and so on are all easy and clear to read. I really like that. In the back seat, for a smaller vehicle, and this is actually meant as sort of an inner city, a city vehicle, the back seat is very, very comfortable. I was on a longish drive, had a great nap. It has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to a CVT, continuously variable transaxle transmission. And that's where we kind of run into problems. It's fine in stop-and-go traffic and slow traffic and sort of medium traffic in the city, on the highway. Where it tends to lose its favorability rating is when you're trying to pass people, particularly when you're not on highways. I was doing a lot of secondary highway driving, and I was trying to get around people, and oh boy, the CVT drops down and it is very loud and it feels underpowered. It feels like it's not really. I wanted to make sure I had lots of room to pass because I didn't feel like this little baby would get up to speed and get around it in enough time. It's, as I said, it's probably going to be extremely popular in North America, which is why I was originally puzzled at the name Qashqai until you think cash cow, and then you realize